as you all now know, I bought this 1979 Volkswagen Brasilia, my project car for the show scene. One of only 2 Volkswagen Brasilias in the UK car show scene, which is sponsored by Auto Finesse. Check them out. Now, in today's video of the Brasilia build, episode 5, we're going to be sorting out the fuel tank. By now, if it's not already obvious, the reason why I'm doing this is for a catalogue of reasons. Number one being that the fuel tank is quite rusty and I need to get rid of that to try and prolong the life of the fuel tank, make it look a bit nicer, so when we marry it back up to the car, it's going to look really fresh under there. I need to have some fabrication work done to the tank. Now, as you can remember, if you've watched the Brasilia video, the first one, I'll put a link up the top here, you'll know that I modified the fuel tank to get it to fit in the front of the car. Now, the metal that was put in where it was welded up was just bare metal, so that started to rust, so I need to get that protected before that goes from surface rust to actual integral rust. I would like to do some modifications to this tank. I don't know if it's possible, but I'd like to remove the breather pipe that goes on the tank, cut off the filler neck pipe on this side, and mount a filler neck just sat on the top of the tank in the middle, so when you fill the car up you go from under the bonnet opposed to the fuel flap on the side of the car. So without further ado, I've still got a lot of sanding to do. After many hours of operating the sander and the wire brush on the drill, we have now got to a stage where the tank is ready to take some primer. I'm going to pull the camera in, show you guys the process. Now, to start with, I need to get this clean. As you can see, it is dirty. It's get it wiped, get it prepped, and then get the gun out, shoot some primer. That made me sound like I'm a painter. I haven't really got a gun. It's a can of primer from Wilco. But it's the same process nonetheless. Let's crack on. I've now got to a point in doing this process that I can't actually progress on my own at this current stage. So I need to get the tank down to David, my fabricator, to do the welding on the tank, sort out the custom fuel breather, get that sorted, go and see my friend Jamie, get him to repaint the tank nice for us. I'm stuck between a rock and a hard place on what decision to take with the fuel breather. I was going to mount it on the side of the tank, but now I'm contemplating whether I should mount it on the side of the filler neck. Come on the top here, I think it will look much nicer. Also, I don't know what colour to paint the tank. Do I go with a current standard factory colour, like the colour of the car, or do I paint it a matte black, satin black, keep it original as it would have been, break up the colour under here a little bit. Now, if you've enjoyed watching this, I'm going to leave you guys on a bit of a cliffhanger. If you'd like to see the finished result, check out our Instagram, olddub_, and if you wouldn't mind, drop a comment down below what you think we should do with the tank, what colour we should paint it, and where we should mount the fuel breather, or how we should mount it. And if you've enjoyed this video and watched all the way along, thank you so much. But, like always guys, if you haven't
enjoyed this video, make sure you hit that subscribe button.
Hit the bell icon, keep supporting the channel, it really does mean a lot to us. Thank you guys, and till the next time, peace out.